Meet the Maine Coon, the gentle giant of the cat world. With their tufted ears, long flowing coats and affectionate personalities, it's easy to see why they're one of the most beloved cat breeds worldwide. But behind the beauty comes responsibility. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Maine Coon health, how to care for them, the most common health issues they face, and why choosing a reputable breeder is one of the most important decisions you can make. Caring for a Maine Coon starts with the basics: diet, grooming, exercise, and veterinary care. Because they are one of the largest cat breeds, weighing anywhere from 12 to over 20 pounds, their diet needs special attention. Look for a high-protein food that mirrors what cats would eat in the wild. Avoid fillers like corn or wheat, which can contribute to weight gain. Obesity is especially risky for Maine Coons as it puts added strain on their joints and heart. Their luxurious double coat is stunning, but it can mat if neglected. A few brushing sessions each week prevent tangles and reduce shedding. Many Maine Coons even enjoy grooming sessions once they get used to it, turning it into bonding time. Exercise and mental stimulation are equally important. Maine Coons are playful and intelligent. Puzzle feeders, climbing towers, and sturdy scratching posts will keep them engaged. And don't forget routine veterinary checkups at least once a year, or ideally every 6 months, to catch potential problems early. Despite being a generally hardy breed, Maine Coons do face some breed-specific health issues. Let's break down the big four. This is the most common heart disease in cats, and Maine Coons have a known genetic predisposition. In HCM, the heart's walls become thickened, making it harder for the heart to pump efficiently. Symptoms may include rapid breathing, lethargy, or fainting, though sometimes there are no outward signs until the disease has progressed. Echocardiograms are the gold standard for detection, and genetic testing can identify carriers. Because of their large frames, Maine Coons are more likely than other breeds to develop hip dysplasia, where the hip joint doesn't form correctly. This leads to arthritis, pain, and decreased mobility. Maintaining a healthy weight is key. Some cats may require medication or even surgery in severe cases. This hereditary condition affects the spinal cord's motor neurons, leading to muscle weakness and instability in kittens. It's not painful and doesn't usually shorten lifespan, but it can affect quality of life. Genetic testing helps responsible breeders prevent SMA from being passed on. PKD causes fluid-filled cysts to form in the kidneys, leading to gradual kidney failure. Though less common in Maine Coons than Persians, it still occurs. Ultrasounds can detect it, and early diagnosis allows for supportive care to slow progression. One of the most critical steps in protecting your Maine Coon's health begins before you even bring them home. Choosing a reputable breeder makes all the difference. Responsible breeders don't just pair cats based on looks, they prioritize health. They run genetic tests for HCM, SMA, and PKD, and often screen for hip dysplasia through X-rays. They keep transparent records and are eager to share health certificates with potential owners. In contrast, backyard breeders or kitten mills may skip health testing entirely, producing kittens at risk of devastating genetic diseases. While their kittens may be cheaper up front, veterinary bills and heartbreak down the line can far outweigh the initial cost. By choosing a breeder who invests in health testing, you're not only protecting your future cat, you're supporting ethical breeding practices that strengthen the Maine Coon breed as a whole. To wrap up, Maine Coons are extraordinary companions, affectionate, intelligent, and truly majestic. With the right diet, regular grooming, exercise, and veterinary care, plus choosing a breeder who performs comprehensive health testing, you'll be setting your Maine Coon up for a long, healthy, and happy life. Thanks for joining this deep dive on Maine Coon health. If you found it helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And let us know in the comments what health topics you'd like us to cover next.